Good morning students. Today we are going to start our chapter 7 integral. Okay? So first of all, what is integral? Integral, or for this other name is there, antiderivative or primitive. Integral, antiderivative or primitive. Okay? So what is integral or antiderivative? So f of x, capital F of x is one function. This is said to be primitive or antiderivative of small f of x. If this capital F of x is said to be antiderivative of small f of x if derivative of f of x is small f of x. If its derivative is f of x, then we say capital F of x is antiderivative of f of x, small f of x. Okay? If we differentiate x cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square. So we can say x cube is antiderivative of 3x square. X cube is antiderivative of 3x square. If we differentiate x cube minus 3, we get again 3x square. So x cube minus 3 is also antiderivative of 3x square. If we differentiate x cube plus 7, we get 3x square. So x cube plus 7 is also an antiderivative of 3x square. Okay? It means one function can have infinitely many antiderivatives. Okay? So integral or antiderivatives. Clear? This function is said to be antiderivative of small f of x if its derivative is small f of x. Clear? Now, indefinite integral. What is indefinite integral? So if f of x is any function, then family of all antiderivatives of f of x is called indefinite integral. Okay? Family of all antiderivatives of f of x is called indefinite integral, and this we write in symbol form like this. This is symbol for integral. This is function which to be integrated, is called integrand, and x is variable of integration. The process which we are doing to find this antiderivatives, the process of finding antiderivatives is called integration. Okay? So this is called integral of f of x. Here f of x is integrand which we want to integrate. Okay? X is our variable of integration. Why this is called family of antiderivatives? So here you have seen its derivative is 3x square, its derivative 3x square, its derivative 3x square, means antiderivative of 3x square is x cube or x cube minus 3 or x cube plus 7. So there are many functions which are antiderivatives of 3x square. So if we write integral of 3x square, what we will write? X cube or x cube minus 3 or x cube plus 7. So for that we write x cube plus c, where c is called constant of integration. That's why here we used family of antiderivatives, because there are many functions which are antiderivatives for same function. That's why it's called family of all antiderivatives. So integral of 3x square is 3x cube plus one constant c. C is called constant of integration. Okay, that's why it is called indefinite integral, because there are many functions which are antiderivative of one given function. So here one function will be given and we need its antiderivative. One function is given. Now this function is derivative of which function, that we have to find. The reverse process of differentiation is integration. But this is very important chapter topic, and it is not easier than differentiation. If differentiation is okay, differentiation is clear, then only we can solve problems based on this integration. It is difficult than differentiation. Integration is tougher than differentiation. Okay? Just note on this, then we will see some important formula. Now, here we have some formulae. Integral of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant c. Here n cannot be minus 1, because if n is minus 1, it will be 0 and it is not defined. So integral of x to the power n in case of when n is minus 1. For that we get this formula 1 by x. X to the power minus 1 means 1 by x. So for that we have formula log of mod x. Integration of e to the power x is same e to the power x plus constant. Okay, so this formula we have used. If we differentiate, this, what we get? X to the power n plus 1. If we differentiate, then n plus 1 into x to the power n. N plus 1 cancel out. We get x to the power n this side. So if we find their derivatives, that will be this given function. So these are antiderivatives for these functions. So this formula is a very important formula. Then some more. One thing, be careful, because when we differentiate cos x, we get minus sin x, and here integration of cos x is sin x only. Derivative of sin x is cos x, but integral of sin x is minus cos x. So students make mistakes here. When they want to differentiate cos x, sometimes they can write only sin x, and then integrate cos x, then they write minus sin x. So better be careful, because signs are not changed. In differentiation, sin x derivative was cos x, but here integral of sin x is minus cos x. The same way for cos x square and this cos x and cot x. So be careful about this sign. There are some standard results on the integration. If we differentiate integral of any function, then we get that function itself. Okay? Then integral of k times of any function is k times of integral of that function, and integral of sum or difference of finite number of functions is same as sum or difference of their integrals. So there are some standard results on the integration, and these are some formulae we have to use to solve problems. Suppose we want to find integral of x cube. Okay? So for that, which formula can be used? But in the integration, one thing is very important. Your function should be in our standard form. Okay? If function is in same standard form, then only this formula we can use. Otherwise, we cannot. So x cube in the form of x to the power n. So we can apply formula. So its integration will be x to the power n plus 1, means x to the power 3 plus 1 upon n plus 1 means 3 plus 1 plus any constants. So it is equal to x to the power 4 upon 4. So integral of x cube is x to the power 4 upon 4 plus constant c. Okay? We want to find integral of root x. So that we can write x to the power half. Now again it is in the form of x to the power n. So it is equal to x to the power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus constant. So it will be x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. That will be 2 by 3 when you take its reciprocal. So integral of root x is 2 by 3 times of x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. ठीक है? Integration of 1 by root x. So this 1 by root x can be written x to the power minus half. Now it is x to the power, integration of x to the power will be x to the power minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 plus then constant. So it is minus half plus 1 half, so that will be 2, and here x to the power half. ठीक है? चलिए note on this, then we'll see some more questions. Okay students, so let's start. We will solve some questions. We have to integrate, we have to find integral of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square. ठीक है? So here we have product of two functions. So our function should be in our standard form. So any formula we have like this? No. And we did not see any formula for product of two functions. So just to simplify this first. So it can be written x square minus 1 multiplying. Okay? So we get x square minus 1. Now, as we have seen some properties, some special results, integral of sum or difference of two functions is same as sum or difference of their integrals. So it can be written integral of x square minus integral of 1. So it is equal to, we can apply formula of integral of x to the power n, that is x to the power n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c1, and one constant can get. Then integration of 1 will be x plus c2. This c1, c2 are constant, so instead of this 2, c1, and c1 plus c2 will be one more, one next constant, c1 plus c2 is one constant only. So instead of this c1 and c2, we just write one constant c. So when we find integral of this type of functions, just we write c only once, no need to write c1, c2, c3. Okay? So this will be x cube upon 3 minus x plus c. This is the integral of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay? Now let's see same question. Integral of square of root x minus 1 by root x we have to find. So again here it is product of two functions again. So first we will simplify this. So we can apply a minus b whole square formula. So a square, square of root x is x, minus 2ab, so 2 into root x into 1 by root x is 2 only, plus b square. 1 by root x square is 1 by x. Then again there are integral of sum or difference of two or more than two functions is same as integral of x minus 2 times of integral of x plus 1 integral of 1 by x. Okay? So it is equal to integration of x will be x square by 2 minus integral of x 1 is x plus integral 1 by x is log of mod x plus 1 constant c. So this is integral of root x minus 1 by root x square. Then integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square. This you want to find. So it is in the form of question form. We did not see any formula in this form. So first simplify this. So we can divide each term of this by x square. X cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square is 4x to the power minus 2. Now it can be written integral of x plus 5 into integral of 1 minus 4 times of integral of x to the power minus 2. So it is equal to x square by applying formula of x to the power again plus 5 integration of 1 will be x minus 4. It is integral of x to minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 upon minus 1 plus constant c. So it is x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 upon x plus c is our integral of this. Okay?